Well, it's day 3. We're in the greenhouse and it's raining outside. There's the solar panel that you can see on the roof here. And all the way back to there and then up to there. So what we've done today, we got the ultra silent pump and it is hooked up directly to the solar panel. It's a very small brushless pump, the cheapest one kind of thing on Amazon, but it seems to work fine. And I put power through it and it was spraying out the mister at the top there. So that's a good sign. And then we'll hook the fan up to it as well. And hopefully the fan will make the mist spread out through the whole greenhouse. I've put the table in, and as you can see it's pretty close to the wall, which is still good. I can turn this around and have that like that, get that garbage out of there. And now it's on the edge of the table there, and it's supported on inside and outside. I might leave this area clear if I can to walk back and forth and put more citrus here. So bigger citrus there. There's a citrus there already. Here we'll put a citrus. Here we'll put a citrus. And then we're probably going to have to enter this way, so we'll put a citrus where this seat was. And the goji berries will go outside. Definitely. So we'll get 4 to 5 more citrus trees in here. Then we'll have 1, 2, 3, the navel orange, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 maybe of the 14 or 12 citrus plants I have. We'll leave one under the light inside that has grapefruits on it right now. So we'll wake up tomorrow, hopefully it'll be sunny out, and I'll walk out here and I'll see that that's spraying. I've located a goldfish that's about 7 inches long, like a koi size almost, and I might take the bike if there's no rain tomorrow to go pick him up. It's almost 12 kilometers, but I think I can make it there and back, and bring him for the aquaponic setup. And we've got a mesh on there now so that we can maybe detract the raccoons if they get in here. And I might put a brick on top of that or something. And that will be the pump reservoir, and hopefully the mister will be not that powerful, so that we'll have less loss of water from the fish tank. And I'll be able to keep it filled up with rainwater. And that's about it for the day. Hopefully tomorrow we'll get some sun. It's still pretty early in the season though. I think we're ahead of the game on this one. See ya.